Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add motion blur to your videos, to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. So what motion blur basically is that when you add in like pictures, you can like kind of blend them together. I'll just select these and I'm just going to select everything and I'm just going to make it into a compound clip. Also do these with videos as well. Enable motion blur, and here you can adjust the blur. I usually do like both 70 on the blend and the motion blur. You can also adjust the direction and the speed, and you can like copy and paste it a lot so you don't have to like add in more pictures all the time if you like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.